In Pricing Nugget 22, we learned there are 3 drivers that explain why customers become more price conscious during economic downturns. Today we look into the second driver. Customers become more price conscious during economic downturns because they feel guilty when spending money. How can you take away the sense of guiltiness for your customers when spending money? We will find out today. How do you help your customers feeling less guilty when spending money? You offer them a positive emotion that offsets the negative emotion of guilt. How do you do it? You attach a positive emotion to the spending they are about to do. And one positive emotion that you could attach is the emotion and the feeling that the spending is something they do for themselves. You could add a claim that mentions the theme like you deserve it, so you attach a positive meaning to the item or the service they are about to buy. That's one way to do it. Another way is that you offer another positive emotion, and this positive emotion is about the warm glow of giving. You attach the positive emotion of helping others to the spending that your customer is about to incur. And this giving is usually some donation that is attached to your purchase. And the research shows that customers might prefer a donation that is bundled with a product over a price discount of the same amount. In particular, if you're about to spend some hedonic or frivolous product. And this practice of adding a donation to your product is called cause marketing. And cause marketing works particularly well when the cause is relevant for your customer and when you make the cause very salient, that you highlight the cause that you as a company are donating to. What else? Cause marketing is sometimes offered in combination to a price discount. What should be the level of the price discount? Ideally, the price discount is not particularly low or particularly deep, it is moderate. Low signals a bit cheapness on the side of the company, and deep discounts take away the warm glow of giving. So moderate price discounts work best with cause marketing. An interesting but probably not the least important fact is that cause marketing is profitable. Researchers ran a study in a real store environment and they put one yogurt brand into a cause marketing campaign. They found that versus a control period, profits increased by almost 4%. But what I believe is very interesting as well, the main competing brand lost profit, minus 13% versus the control period. So cause marketing is profitable, it helps increasing the profitability of your brand, and it has a negative impact on your competitors. Essentially, you take away business from your competitor to your company. We learned a couple of very interesting insights about cause marketing and how bundling donations to a purchase might help customers feel less guilty when spending money. It works for many products, in particular for hedonic products that, by the way, would otherwise cause more guilt than utilitarian products. You need to offer lowered price discounts, if at all, and it is more profitable than probably other ways to promote your products. So in economic downturns, offer donations in addition to your products and services. I hope I can leave you with a few sparks of inspiration, and if you seek more inspiration on pricing and psychological pricing, join me at pricingnuggets.com. I see you there.